3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Welcome to playoffs. We've had a long and hard-fought qualification match day, and now we have Alliance 1 and Alliance 8 here on the field. We are in our playoffs bracket. We'll talk about that in a second. Lost of note scored here in Autonomous. 5 on the board for red, 3 on the board for blue. We're going to start out with a similar to a double elimination style bracket tournament. Whoever wins this match will be advancing to the upper bracket. Whoever loses this match will be moving on to the lower bracket. They're not out just yet, but they'll have a harder way to the finals. Notes flying across the field from this blue Alliance source over to the blue amp. Skunkworks picks up that note that just flew in. 2 notes in the bank for the blue Alliance amp, and in that note goes to the speaker from 1983, Skunkworks Robotics. That note worth 5 points. Here comes their Alliance captain for 88, Xbot, note in and good for 5. Pronto, 3070, team with a note in the bank for the amp. 1 point for the amp, and Code Purple in with a note as well. They amplify that note, or amplify that speaker, and a couple more notes make their way into the speaker. Last one of those for 131. That's the Iron of Patriots for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, 1983, Skunkworks Robotics taking a defensive position at the Red Alliance subwoofer with 1 minute left to play. They're trying to block those shots from the Red Robots, but 41-31 banks one in for 2. 1 minute left on the clock. 3070, that's Team Pronto, making their way underneath the blue stage. They're joined by Code Purple, their Alliance captain, 58-27. That note from Code Purple into the red speaker, good and amplified for 5 additional points. 45 seconds left on the clock here in our first playoff match. 76-52, your live score in favor of the Red Alliance. Cheers from the crowd as more notes make their way up into the speaker and amp. Bit of a traffic collision here at center field between Code Purple on their way back home and NRG 9484, your Blue Alliance. NRG picking up a note, they take it back to their speaker. Human player amplifies, but that note falls short as we hit 20 seconds. High notes up on their way. Off the stage for now. Robots lining up to climb. 2 more notes into the speaker from your Blue Alliance teams. NRG heading center stage for blue. Red Alliance, 1 high note on the center stage mic. 2 robots underneath stage right, but they stay on the ground. Victory to your Red Alliance. Alliance number 1 advances 95-71. We do see Alliance number 1 moving on in the upper bracket. Blue Alliance, Alliance 8 not out just yet. They'll